We use Chatamu. It is top Thai tea brand that most Thai use.
เรียบร้อยแล้วค่ะ
We are going to make Thai tea in 3 ways. Thai iced tea. Ingredients have the tea and hot boiling water, sugar. Stir it until it melts. Pour hot water. We pour the hot water until 200. Stir. คน
น้ำแข็งเลยค่ะ
I prepared the ice. Okay, let's Okay. 1 glass contains 16 ounce Thai lemon tea or Thai iced lemon tea. The ingredients have the tea, hot boiling water, sugar, salt, lemon juice, and sliced lemons to decorate the tea. เท่าไหร่
อันนี้ 75 ค่ะ 5 ช้อน
A little bit of salt. Stir. Pour the hot water until 175.
เอามะนาวนะคะ
And then lemon juice. เท่าไหร่คะ
ถึง 200 พอดีค่ะ โอเค เรียบร้อยค่ะ น้ำแข็งค่ะ
น้ำแข็ง Our iced lemon tea is done, not yet, with 1 slice of lemon. Okay. Last Thai tea is cha yen or Thai milk tea that you may already know. Our ingredients, just 3 ingredients. We have tea, we have the condensed milk, evaporated milk. Going to add our tea until 150 milliliters. And stir.
เอาที่ตีฟองนมให้หน่อย
ตีฟองนม
ใช่
Very beautiful. We pour the hot water until 200 meters.
Meters.
If you wonder why we wear face masks all the time, because the COVID-19 situation here is quite severe. So if we don't wear face masks, we have to pay for the fine, which is up to 20,000 baht. Yeah, and that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like it, press the like button and subscribe so you won't miss my next video. See you. Bye. ขอบคุณค่ะ